What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Mr. T-Shirt, back with another one. Now, I don't know about you guys, but it's a new year, and every year I like to try to add a little more to my designs, and which will make them a little more valuable, both for myself, but more importantly, for my customers. So one thing I'm gonna be using more of is Econotransfer's Colored Puff HTV. I've gone ahead and made a couple of pieces, including this hoodie that I'm wearing. This part right here, the YouTube's logo, is actually in a red puff. And not only does it add a little more pop to the garment, but also adds more value, meaning you're able to charge a little more, not to mention specialty vinyls cost more in general than normal HTV. Now, the reason puff is one of my favorite specialties, well, specialty vinyls, I should say, is because it's hard to see a design or a logo made with puff and not want to touch and feel it. So I guess you could say it's a fun kind of vinyl. Another reason it's my favorite is because it's very easy to use, and I'll show you just how easy it is to use. But before I do that, I need you guys to like this video and make sure you comment if you've ever used Puff HTV and what experiences have you had using it. In the meantime, I'm gonna grab my designs while the heat press heats up.
All right, so we got our heat press heated up to 320. Now, Econotransfer recommends 300 degrees and press for 8 to 12 seconds. Me, preferably, I feel that I get better results from the puff, a little more puff, when I set my press to about 315. So 310, 315, and then I press it a full 15 to 20 seconds. I feel that when I remove the transfer paper, that the puff is a lot more, I guess you can say puffy, but we'll check it out. But first we're gonna pre-press. This is an old shirt that I've been just messing around with, was practicing some sublimation on, see how certain things came out. So we just took an old shirt, just gonna pre-press it as usual, get all the moisture out. A few seconds. All right. Now we're gonna do two colors. First color we'll do the Econo Puff Blue first. So again, 300 degrees, 8 to 12 seconds is recommended. I'm at 320, and I'll press for about 15 seconds, and you can maybe see the difference. Let me get close up here so you guys can see when I remove the tape here. Let me take the camera off the tripod so you guys can actually see what this really looks like. So you can see how puffy that is there with the garment. And like I said before, it's that fun vinyl. So when you see it, you automatically want to touch it. You run your hand across it. You can see how nice and puffy it is. This one got a little black spot right there. I'm not sure what that is, but maybe it got wet or something. But you see how puffed up that is. And again, this is me having it on 320 degrees and holding it for about 15 seconds, pressing it for about 15 seconds, 15 to 20 seconds. I feel, like I said before, that the letters are more raised and more puffed up than just at 300 degrees. I mean, again, it could be my heat press. You know, everybody's heat press varies, so. All right, and then I'll grab the other one. This is the green, I'll just place it right underneath. All right. That's this one. You see the green. The green is beautiful. It's a beautiful green. Very pretty. I think the green puffs up even a little more than the blue. What do you guys think? I mean, the blue puffs, it's puffy. But I just think the green, for some reason, just... Or again, maybe it's my heat press. But that's what it looks like. All right, guys. So, I mean, for a process this simple, it's hard not to make a little extra money on your garments by just switching up your vinyl from your basic HTV to a specialty vinyl on some of your jobs. All right, guys, so that's how you press and apply Puff HTV from Econotransfer. Very simple, very easy process. I'll definitely leave the link in the description below if you guys would like to purchase that specialty vinyl along with others from Econotransfer. Please feel free to use my affiliate link down below. One thing that I do love about dealing with Econotransfer is my buddy James over there. And I know every time I do a video, and he's probably tired of hearing about these personal messages, but it just shows the type of customer service that you're dealing with when you deal with a company. Now, with every order that I place with Econotransfer, I always get a personalized letter from the owner, James himself, and the Econotransfer team. And this one happened to say, Tavin, always appreciate it. Hope you've been having a happy new year. I added a few other things for you to have Econo Puff Blue, which we just did, and the neon green, and Econo Perfect neon yellow. Now, that neon yellow, I'll definitely add to one of my designs or logos later on down the line, and maybe do a video showing you guys what that looks like, some of the fluorescent and neon colors from Econotransfer as well. And he also sent an Econo Sensitive Pastel Light Blue. So not too sure how that feels, how it presses, but again, maybe something to show you guys. You comment below if you'd like to see any of that. All right, now these are the puffs, the two puff colors that he sent me. The green, the neon green, I believe he said, yes, the neon green and the Econo Puff Blue. And as you saw them, as we press them, this is what they come out. This is how they look. Okay, guys can see that. This is how they look. So definitely came out looking hot. You can touch it to the feel. You feel it, run your hands across it. You feel the puff lettering. And again, very important. Now, you see a shirt like this. Excuse me. Now, you say to yourself, you see a shirt like this. Now, in the store, say this shirt was $10. Okay, with just regular HTV vinyl, same colors, but just with regular HTV colors on it. And you say, all right, yes, all right, $10, whatever. But now you have used some HTV puff, the same design or whatever the case is, but in a puff where you can run your hands across it, feel a different type of texture, okay, with a raised lettering type of font or a raised lettering type of vinyl. And the shirt is now, say, $15 or maybe even $20. You don't mind paying that little extra $5 to $10 because your shirt looks so much more different than just a regular plain Jane shirt that you would use using regular basic HTV colors and vinyl. So
for the new year, like I said at the beginning of this video, I will be incorporating a lot more colors of specialty vinyl, especially, like I said, the puff. I'm a big, huge fan of the puff. Make sure to go check out their link, that link below, because like I said before, there's a lot of colors that this puff comes in. You want greens, blue, red. Like I said, this one right here, that's on the hoodie that I'm wearing right now. The YouTube logo alone, this piece right here is in red Econotransfer puff, okay? So whatever color you need, black, white, green, yellows, whatever color, purple, pinks, you name it, they have it. All right, so make sure you go check those guys out. Shout out to James once again over at Econotransfer, along with the Econotransfer team, for always getting me my vinyls quickly and efficiently and keep helping me keep my business going. And again, if you guys learned anything from this video, make sure you tap that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and make sure to give this video 2 thumbs up. All right, as always, I'm Mr. T-Shirt signing off. Peace.